Hello, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. It's Miss S here, and today I would like to show you how you can log into macandvia.com to check out electronic books, ebooks, okay? So first of all, if you're at school and you're on a computer that has apps folders, you can go into the apps folder and find macandvia.com, or you can just simply type macandvia.com. I know that was autofilling because I go there so much, but I just had to talk you through it. So it's Mac, M-A-C-K-N-I-N, via.com. Okay? macandvia.com. Great resource. All right, and this year there's been a change. We've changed the school name from Heidelberg to Wiesbaden Elementary. So the sign-in process has changed just a tad. We have to put Wiesbaden here. And once you get to the S, it'll autofill for you, and you can choose Wiesbaden Elementary. Okay? And then there we are, and then you go ahead and log in. And we are going to sign in with our Google account. That's how it works for grades 3 to 5. And because I've been in there before, the computer stores my name. You might have to go ahead and write your first dot last name at student.dodea.edu first. Okay? And my password, it's a long one. It autofills because the computer remembers for me, but the first time you'll have to put in your Google password. And then that will take us to the macandvia landing page for Wiesbaden Elementary. Okay? So here we are. And we are going to go to eBooks. Okay? Now, you want to make sure that your name is up there. Okay? That your name is up there. If it's not, you need to click up there and you might have to do a second login process, but hopefully it should just go like that, okay? So you can see when I click on that little backpack, it will show me all the books that I have checked out, the requests that I might have in, okay? So that's kind of cool. That's some little goodies there. All right, so wow. So here we are, we have 7,303 ebooks. Now what, right? Now what do I do? Well, you always want to go up to search resources, okay? And you can search by topic, by title, by author, genre. You could put historical fiction up there. Let's try that one. We'll try that one first, okay? Historical fiction. Okay? And it says I have 70 choices under historical fiction. All right? And that's where you have the You Choose books. There's a lot of You Choose in there. You Choose, those are terrific, okay? You can open now and just read it on the spot, or you could check it out, and then it will tell you the due date and all that stuff, okay? So that's one way to search for a book. That was by genre. I put in historical fiction because that is my favorite genre. Another thing, Dogman. Everybody loves Dogman, right? Dogman. Let's see if we have any electronic copies. Do believe so. Yes, we do. Okay, so there's several in there. You can check them out. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I have a lot of your favorites I ordered for ebooks last year. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's look for one more thing. So I can show you what it looks like. I'll just put dogs. General topic, right? What kind of dog books do we have on electronic books? Okay. Let's go for Amazing Animal Helpers. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I know I want that for sure. I'll just check it out. Or you could open it now and just read it on the spot. You don't have to check out an ebook if it says open now. But I'm going to go ahead and choose checkout because I want to show you that process. Okay, and it tells me it expires in 6 days and 23 hours. Now I want to go ahead and show you back up here. If you click on that backpack, you can look at your checkouts. And it shows me, oh, sure enough, there's my ebook checkout. Okay? Now, let's say I read that in one night. What a really nice thing to do would, as soon as you're done with it, go ahead and hit return. Okay? And then that will return that to the collection so somebody else can check it out. That is a really nice thing to do. Okay, and then I'll navigate back to eBooks. Yeah, so that is the process for checking out eBooks. And don't forget, while you're in Mac and VIA, tons of resources, right? That's where our databases are, where the links are to TrueFlix, BookFlix, to StudentTube, lots and lots of cool things. We have some audiobooks. Let's have a look at that really quick while we're in here. Look at that. We have Captain Underpants under audiobooks. So, oh, that one isn't really available now. Maybe somebody has it checked out. How cool is that? All right, and you can, some are you can listen to now. You can tell if they're available. Okay, it'll say check out or listen now. All right, so there's some electronic resources for you. I wish you a good day. Read, read, read any way you can. Physical books, electronic books. Reading is king or queen. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.